Right.
Welcome back to another awesome video.
Well, we recently doubled the size of our record collection, so we need some place to put it other than the closet floor. That's where this comes in. This solution is a shelf from Ikea, and it's called, how would you say that? Kallax? I don't know. Anyway, this particular model, it's 4 high by 3 across, and it's available in a wide variety of configurations from their website, and you can put it together in about 20 minutes. My wife and I put it together very quickly, and it cost about $120.
If you get free up and free across, you can play tic-tac-toe with records.
Yeah, I guess you could. Cool.
So what's the capacity of this shelf? Well, there's 12 of these holes, and right here what you see, I've put 80 albums. So this is 80 albums in one of the holes, so 12 times 80, 960. So you could potentially store almost 1,000 albums, a little bit under if you filled it all up. But it's not so tight that you can't get your finger in there and pull one out. So it's not, you can still slide in and out. There's plenty of space in front of them. Like, these aren't pushed all the way back. These are over here. There's a significant amount of space. So if you wanted to go, display something in front, like some artwork or whatever, just lean that back. There's plenty of room to do that as well. If you use this to store 8 tracks, you can pack 128 tracks into one of these little sections. They're not as easy to get to. Like albums, you can always pull out one at a time. These are in a stack, so if I wanted Foreigner there, I'd have to take out everything and then get it out like that. 3 stacks, it'll do 2 rows of 3 stacks, 15 high, and then you could squeeze 2 in sideways. So really 45, 90, and then an extra 30 in the back if you just want to store them. 8 tracks are not that attractive. They usually, the labels peel, they don't look that great, but you can store a bunch of 8 tracks in here. So you can really stack cassettes in there. 19 high, 5 deep, that's 95, and you can do 3 rows of them. That's 285 in one of these, times 12 containers. That's like over 3,000 cassettes in this thing. Now, this format is not very accessible. They're stacked, so you'd have to dig to get your cassettes. It is worth mentioning the Chillax system from Ikea also has optional slide-out drawers, 2 of which can be installed in each of those squares. So for example, if you wanted to more easily access your cassettes or DVDs, CDs won't fit, and of course I'm using this for records, so I don't really need this. This is another shelf I have in a broom closet, just being used for batteries and flashlights and whatever. Reel-to-reel tape, at least the 7-inch reels, you can go 2 deep, 18 across, and the ones on the front row at least are still easily accessible by just pulling them out there. Compact discs, you can go 32 high, 2 across, 2 deep. For DVDs, you can go 22 across, 2 deep, just 1 row, and still get to them pretty easily. VHS tapes can go 12 across, 3 deep, and I'm sure other Video 8 tapes, you could fit quite a bit more in that than that. Anyway, hopefully that's a good overview of the different types of media, how much you could fit in here. Anyway, there's not much to say about this. It's a shelf. Just thought we'd just throw a video together since we bought it, and just as a solution for storing records. One thing to say, we are using this in a closet up against a wall, and there is no back to it, so I don't know if that means anything. If you need something behind, there's no back panel to it. But anyway, that's about it, and we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time for another awesome video.
Bye.